Baby guinea pigs are incredibly cute and lovable, and we all know that. But did you know that they are very different from other animals? They have their own unique features that make them special. When we say baby guinea pigs, we are talking about the little ones that can fit right in the palm of your hand. They are so tiny and delicate, and they need a lot of care and attention. But after all, they are such a bundle of joy. Are you ready to test your knowledge about baby guinea pigs? At the end of the quiz, let us know your score and which questions you found the most difficult. Good luck! Welcome to the Guinea Pig Quiz. Who wants to be a piglionaire? What is the typical size of a newborn guinea pig? The answer is C. 60 to 115 grams. How soon can guinea pig pups start eating solid food? Answer A. 1 day. What is the average litter size for guinea pigs? The correct answer is B. 2 to 4. Baby guinea pigs are also known as Answer B. Pups. How long does it take for guinea pig pups to open their eyes after birth? The correct answer is A. 1 day. You can support this content by simply subscribing to this channel. By doing so, you will be notified when my next video is released. What is the primary source of nutrition for guinea pig pups in their first few weeks? The answer is B. Mother's milk. How often should you clean the cage of guinea pig pups? Answer A. Daily. What behavior might indicate that guinea pig pups are cold? The correct answer is C. Huddling together. How should you introduce fresh vegetables to guinea pig pups? Answer A. Gradually in small amounts. What type of bedding is suitable for guinea pig pups? The answer is C. Fleece. I hope you are enjoying this quiz. If you need more information and advice about guinea pigs, remember that I also have plenty of other videos to help you set up their cage and keep them active and healthy. What is the purpose of providing hiding spots for guinea pig pups? The correct answer is C. Reducing stress. How do guinea pig pups communicate with each other? Answer D. Chirping. What should be included in a guinea pig pup's diet to support dental health? The answer is D. Fresh hay. How long does it take for baby guinea pigs to start running? Answer A. A few hours. What is the size of a baby guinea pig? The correct answer is B. 8 to 10 centimeter or 3 to 4 inches. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your guinea pigs healthy and happy.